Good morning, class. So, today we'll take the revision of the chapter 7. So, we have in the chapter 7 we have discussed many topics. So, first one is what? That is a nervous system. So, you know, because I have also taught you what is nervous system, right? So, what is nervous system? Yes, our brain, spinal cord and nerves, they combine together and they form our nervous system, right? So how would you know how does your nervous system work? So whenever you are facing any danger, you are seeing any danger, what activities, what response you are giving, what activity you are doing, right? So first, whenever you are seeing any snake, right? So what you will do? Whenever you are seeing the snake, you start to run away very fast, ना? ऐसा तो नहीं कि आप सोचते हो कि स्नेक है, ये क्या है, इसके बारे में सोचेंगे. आप कोई भी डेंजर फील करते हो तो व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, यू आर टेकिंग द रिस्पॉन्स इमिजिएटली, राइट? तो कैसे लेते हो, कैसे ये कर पाते हो? So our brain help us to do these activities whatever we are doing, right? So how our brain command to us, then we are giving the response. Our other body part, they are giving to response, right? So how does our nervous system work? So wait a moment and think about that. Your head is clearly up on your body and your leg is at the bottom. So think how your leg getting response, how you can able to run whenever you are seeing the any danger. So our spinal cord, our brain and our nerves, they join together, they combine together and they form a system. So our brain send the message whenever you are seeing the object, your sense organs send the message to your brain through the sensory nerves, and your brain then command to your body parts ki what response you have to give, what activity you have to do and what decision you have to take. So your brain command through the motor nerve, then your body parts act whatever you are doing. Maybe you are running, yeah, whenever you are touching any hot object, you are withdrawing your hand. So all these activity you are doing with the help of your brain, spinal cord and nerve, है ना? So these activities, some response are we are taking very quickly. So these response are also commanded by our spinal cord. It takes the message, it through the nerves and it send the message to, it command to our body parts through the nerves very fast. So when we are seeing this type of danger, we are taking decision very fast. So what is nervous system? Our brain, spinal cord and nerve, they form a nervous system. How does it happen? Your finger, when it touches the hot object, what happen? It send the message to the brain through the nerves, right? And your brain, what? It give the command through the nerves to your finger. Then what happened? Your finger withdraw from the hot object. Hot object, right? So it's all about the nervous system. The next topic is brain. Already we have learnt about that. What is brain? So brain, you know, that is a very important part of our body, because without brain we cannot do any type of activity whatever you are doing, right? When you are picking the food, your hand put it into your mouth, so how would it happen? Then your brain command to your hand and your hand put into your mouth, right? When you are studying anything, you are seeing anything, how would you remember everything? So our brain is also work as a computer, right? So it is a master of computer, like a master of a computer, like our brain work as a same ना. जैसे कंप्यूटर के में वी आर स्टोरिंग एवरीथिंग द डाटा, our brain also store all the data whatever you are seeing, you are studying, you are everything you are remembering. जैसे अभी हम पढ़ रहे हैं, तो how would you remember that what we are learning here, है ना? और how would you able to understand the things whatever I am explaining to you? So everything would be happen how? With the help of our brain. In brain also we are in our brain there is three main part. First, brain it is protected by our skull. आपको पता है हमारी बोन की एक बोन होता है, बोन से हमारा जिसको हम स्कल बोलते हैं, so that is protect our inner part of the brain, है ना? It has many folders also. So there is three main part of our brain. First one is what? The cerebrum. Cerebrum. What is cerebrum? तो it control our sense organ, है ना? क्या करता है? It control our all the sense organ. Also, our memory is stored in the cerebrum part. That's why it is called the center of intelligence. क्या कहते हैं cerebrum को? Center of intelligence. Right. So it is a center of intelligence. It control our sight, our all the sense organ, and the memory also stored in the cerebrum. Then the it covers the largest part of our brain, the cerebrum. The next one is what? Cerebellum. Cerebellum. That is in its shape is like a egg, है ना? It control our muscles and it balance of our body movement, है ना? जैसे हम कहीं move कर रहे हैं, we are standing ना, every activity you are doing, so how it would be happen? Our cerebellum part it make balance of our body, of our muscles, है ना? तो कौन करता है ये? cerebellum. इट बैलेंस ऑफ आवर बॉडी मूवमेंट, हमारी बॉडी के मूवमेंट को बैलेंस करता है, राइट? और मसल्स को भी ये बैलेंस करता है, मसल्स की मूवमेंट को भी. तो व्हेन यू आर वॉकिंग, रनिंग या स्टैंडिंग, सो दीज ऑल द एक्टिविटीज इज बैलेंस्ड बाय द सेरेबेलम पार्ट. नहीं तो क्या होगा, हम कहीं पे भी हम जाना चाहेंगे तो हम कहीं और चले जाएंगे, हम खड़े होना चाहेंगे तो हम गिर जाएंगे ना. सो वी कैन नॉट डू दिस टाइप ऑफ एक्टिविटी, वी कैन नॉट मेक द बैलेंस ऑफ आवर बॉडी, राइट? देन थर्ड पार्ट इज व्हाट? द ब्रेन स्टेम. ब्रेन स्टेम. So the brain stem, it is a lower portion of our brain, right? It joins to our spinal cord. Our brain stem it joins to our spinal cord. हमारे यहाँ पे नीचे का पार्ट होता है, that is joins to our spinal cord. It controls all our involuntary actions, activities, जैसे beating of heart, है ना? Breathing, blinking of eyes, all the involuntary actions are controlled by the our brain stem. जैसे when we are seeing the danger, I have given also example before that topic. So when we are withdraw our hand, when we move far away from the danger with the help very fast, we are giving the very quick response. तो अब विद द हेल्प ऑफ आवर ब्रेन स्टेम, हमारी जो मैसेजेस होते हैं उनको ब्रेन से हमें कमांड नहीं करना पड़ता है. तो ऑल द इनवॉलेंट्री एक्शंस, क्योंकि जो भी डेंजर ये देखते हैं तुरंत ही स्पाइनल कॉर्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ ब्रेन स्टेम, द स्पाइनल कॉर्ड सेंड द मैसेज टू द नर्व्स एंड नर्व्स give the command to our body parts, and then our body parts give the quick response. So these all are the part of our brain, right? So it control our involuntary in one minute. Activities. Right. So these all are the main parts of the brain. It balance for all the parts. They form a different type of activity. We have all the part of brain. They help us to do many type of activity. Then you can walk, you can read, you can study, you can eat, you can go anywhere, you can able to think any whatever you are learning somewhere now, or if you want to take any any decision in any topic, any situation. So all the parts of our brain, they help to you to do the decision also, from the come out from the situation या problem. So all these activities are done by our brain. Seeing the mad person, उनको क्या होता है, वो कुछ भी वियर करके रखते हैं, उनका कोई ड्रेसिंग सेंस या कोई भी एक प्रॉपर वे नहीं होता है हाउ दे आर लिविंग, बिकॉज देयर माइंड इज नॉट वर्किंग प्रॉपरली, सो दे कैन नॉट टेक एनी डिसीजन, दे आर नॉट एबल टू टेक डिसीजंस, राइट? So that is very important part of our body, that is brain, right? The next topic is what? Whenever sometime if any person met any accident, so they lost their memory. So think about that, which part of their brain is responsible for this, to storing the memory. So why they lost the memory? What happened? The people lost their memory. Yes, I have been also told you, the cerebrum that stores the memory. It is the center of intelligence also. It stores the memory. You can able to remember the things with the help of cerebrum. So when it get hurt, है ना, it get damaged, our the cerebrum part during the accident, our cerebrum part it get damaged, so the person lost their memory. So we have to take whenever we are traveling somewhere, we have to take care of that our brain. We should use the helmet, seat belt and likewise. ठीक है? Okay, the next topic is what? So what is nerves? It is found in our body in a bundles of fibers. What is the work of nerves? The brain send the messages, or the brain command to our body parts through the nerves. Means the brain send the message through the nerves. And what happened? First, whenever you are seeing anything, your nerves send the message to your brain. Then brain send the message through the motor nerves to your body parts. Then your body parts give response. Anything like you are doing any type of activity, you are working, you are anything, you are studying, you are walking, you are reading, everything, every type of activity, whatever you are doing. So what happen? Your brain commands it send the message through the nerves, and then also the nerves carry the message to your brain, then brain send the message to your body part, then your body parts give the response. जैसे आई एम राइटिंग हियर, तो मैं क्या हुआ, मैंने सोचा पहले, तो द ब्रेन कैसे ये प्रोसेस कैसे हुआ, तो फर्स्ट आई थिंक दैट कि व्हाट आई हैव टू डू, मुझे क्या करना है, मैंने सोचा, देन ब्रेन हैड कमांडेड टू माई हैंड की हाँ यस यू हैव टू राइट द समथिंग, देन माई हैंड get the message, then it start to write the nerves, whatever it is, whatever I am writing, yeah, whatever activity you are doing, so it is all about happen with the help of nerves. It found in our body in a bundle of fibers. हमारी पूरी बॉडी में एक नेट है, पूरा एक जाल सा है, दैट इज अ नेटवर्क ऑफ नर्व्स इन आवर होल बॉडी. तो वो किससे कनेक्ट करता है, इट कनेक्ट टू आवर ब्रेन, राइट. सो देयर इज 3 टाइप ऑफ नर्व्स आर देयर. First one is what? Sensory nerves. Sensory nerves. Second, motor nerves. And third one is what? Mixed nerves. Mixed nerves. So, what is the work of sensory nerves? Think like you are touching any hot object, then what happened, the sensory nerves send the message, the sensory nerve receive the send the message to your brain. हमने जैसे कि हमने कुछ हॉट ऑब्जेक्ट को टच किया, तो क्या हुआ, हमारे नर्व्स ने, सेंसरी नर्व्स ने, इट रिसीव द मैसेज टू योर ब्रेन एंड सेंड टू आवर ब्रेन, राइट. तो सेंसरी नर्व्स क्या करेंगी, दे सेंड द मैसेज टू आवर ब्रेन, फिर ब्रेन कमांड टू आवर बॉडी पार्ट्स. ब्रेन हमारे बॉडी पार्ट्स को कमांड करेगा और मैसेज सेंड करेगा हमारे हैंड को थ्रू द मोटर नर्व्स, ठीक है. तो सेंसरी नर्व्स क्या करती हैं, दे सेंड द मैसेज टू आवर ब्रेन. दे सेंड, सेंसरी नर्व का वर्क क्या है, सेंड द मैसेज, सेंड मैसेज टू ब्रेन, ठीक. उसके बाद क्या होता है, द ब्रेन कमांड थ्रू द मोटर नर्व. मोटर नर्व्स का क्या वर्क होता है, दे कैरी द मैसेज फ्रॉम द ब्रेन, दे कैरी द मैसेज फ्रॉम द ब्रेन, है ना, फ्रॉम ब्रेन. तो when we are doing activity, any type of activity, what happen, जैसे हमें कोई भी काम हम करते हैं, तो हमारा मैसेज हमारे बॉडी पार्ट से कौन लेके जाता है, द सेंसरी नर्व सेंड द मैसेज टू आवर ब्रेन. दैट ब्रेन थिंक कि व्हाट रिएक्शन you have to do or what response you have to do, so it send the message through the motor nerves. तो brain command करता है motor nerves and our body gives response and you are doing the activity, right? So that is the work of sensory nerve and motor nerves. But there is one more nerve, mixed nerve. What is the work of mixed nerve? It can take both of decision, carry the message, send the message and carry the message, send and carry messages. कैरी मैसेज. तो ये इसका वर्क क्या होता है, इट कैन डू, द मिक्स नर्व कैन डू द बोथ ऑफ थिंग्स. It take the decision, it carry the message automatically, send the message to the brain and brain it also can send the message to all body parts. So that is called the mixed nerve. So what are the nerves? They are the bundle of fibers that there is a network of nerves in our body, right? And it connects to our brain. Then what happened? The sensory nerves send the message to your brain and the motor nerves carry the message to your body parts. One more nerves, mixed nerves. So it can send the message to the brain and can also command when the brain command. So so it can carry the message to your body part, that is called the mixed nerve. So it's all about the nerve, right? The next next topic is what? Next one, reflex action. Reflex action. So what is the reflex action? A reflex action is an automatic reaction of the body that is happen very instantly, right? It takes decision very fast, it happens very fast. So how does it happen? The reflex action, some of our action are involuntary, that is automatic and instantaneous, मीन्स बहुत ही जल्दी होती हैं ये सारे रिएक्शन. वी हैव नो टाइम टू थिंक अबाउट दैट कि व्हाट वी हैव टू डू. हमारे पास इतना टाइम नहीं होता है कि हम उसके बारे में सोचें, है ना. सो इट हैपन ऑटोमेटिकली एंड वेरी वेरी फास्ट. दीज ऑल द एक्शन हैपन वेरी फास्ट. सो दैट इज रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन. हाउ डज इट हैपन? So and why does it happen? So reflex happen very reflex actions are that actions that happen very fast because like example I have given also before, when we are touching any sharp object, right? जब शार्प ऑब्जेक्ट को टच करते हैं देन व्हाट हैपन व्हेन यू आर टचिंग एनी हॉट ऑब्जेक्ट और शार्प ऑब्जेक्ट, तो क्या होता है? जैसे हमने ये टच किया तो ये है ना, शार्प ऑब्जेक्ट हमारी बॉडी में टच होता है तो क्या होता है? वी विड्रॉ और हम वेरी फास्ट ना. तो हाउ डज इट हैपन? दीज एक्शंस आर कॉल्ड रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन, कि बहुत ही क्विक रिस्पॉन्स देते हैं. तो दीज एक्शंस हैपन विदाउट द मैसेज डू नॉट सेंड टू आवर ब्रेन, क्योंकि अगर हमारा ये एक्शंस जितने भी होते हैं व्हेन वी आर टचिंग हॉट ऑब्जेक्ट या touching any sharp object, yeah, many of the an involuntary action that has happened, it happen very fast because it send the message to our spinal cord and spinal cord command to our body part. जैसे मैंने बताया कि brain में 3 parts are there, so brain stem control it, क्योंकि अगर the message nerves send the message to our brain, then brain command, it takes time, है ना. कुछ टाइम लग जाएगा हमारे ब्रेन को सोचने में और वहाँ से मैसेज सेंड करने में और कमांड करने में. तो इट ऑल द रिफ्लेक्स एक्शंस, रिफ्लेक्स एक्टिविटीज, रिफ्लेक्स एक्शंस आर कंट्रोल्ड बाय द आवर स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. तो हमारी स्पाइनल कॉर्ड से ब्रेन स्टेम अटैच होता है एंड इट it command very fast to our body part, then our body part give response very fast. That's why we can withdraw our hand from the sharp object, yeah, touching any hot object, yeah, whenever you are seeing any kind of danger, right? So how does it happen? Reflex action. Then what happen? Touches our hand, it touches our hand. Then what happens? Spinal cord, it send the message, spinal cord, right? फिर withdraw our hand. So how does it happen? That is called the reflex action. और मैसेज कैसे गया? When we touch the hand any hot object, हमने हमारा हैंड कहाँ पे टच हुआ? any hot object. Then what happened? Our sensory nerves send the message to our spinal cord. Then what happened? The spinal cord commanded and it send the message through the motor nerves to our hand. Then our hand, what happened? It withdraw our hand from the hot object or from the sharp object. So that all about the reflex action. How does it work and what are the important of the reflex action, right? Then next, so the next topic is what? Sense organs. As we already have learnt about the sense organ also. You know how many sense organ? We have 5 sense organs. So what are they? Our eyes, that is first one is sense organ, ear, tongue, nose and skin. So these all are the 5 sense organ of human, right? So first one we will discuss about the eyes. So there is, what is eyes? As you all are having, there is 2 sockets in the skull that contain eyeballs. हमारे स्कल में 2 sockets होते हैं that contain eyeballs, right? So eyes are protected by our eyebrows from the sweat of our body. जो sweat आता है उससे कौन protect करता है? Our eyebrows protect from the sweat to our eyes, and our eyelashes is protect our eyes from the dirt, right? So there is many part of our eyes, you can see here, right? So what is, every eyes have, the first part is what? Cornea. You can see that is a cornea, and after that the second the black colored part is the colored part is what? That is iris. So in iris there is a small part that is called pupil, right? And behind the pupil there is what? Lens. That is, you can see here, that is lens. And what happened from the lens, whenever we are seeing anything, it all the sight, whatever we are seeing, it travels the light travels to the lens. After the lens, it travels to the retina, right? And on the retina, what happened? The retina work as a screen, right? And it make a image, and then we can the retina make image of the object, any object that you can see. And there is optic nerve, you can see here, the optic nerve send the message to our brain. Then brain command, and we can see the things whatever we are seeing. So that is a process ki how we can see. There is many part. Cornea, that is the first part. After that the pupil, there is very colored part, that is called iris, and behind the iris there is lens, and the light travels through the lens. After that, from the lens it travels to the retina, and what happened? The retina work as a screen, and it form the image. Then the after form the image, what happened? The optic nerve it send the message to our brain. Then brain command us, and we can see whatever we are seeing. So that is the process of our eyes, how it does it work. So we all have many other organs are also there. So next one is what? Another sense organ that we have. So ear have also, there is 3 parts, as you know. What is the work of ear? So we can, whatever you are hearing, that is the help of ear. So ear have also a 3 part. External ear, external part of ear, middle ear, and inner ear. So how does our ear works? So as you have learned before also. So external ear, how does it work? The external ear receive the message from the environment, right? It receive the sound, and what happened then? It sent to the middle ear. The middle ear, it also receive when the middle ear receive the message, what happened? It hitting the eardrum. The middle ear hitting the sound to our eardrum. Then it send the message to our inner ear, and inner ear, what happened? There the inner ear send the message to our brain through the nerves, and the brain interprets to our ear, then we can hear whatever we are hearing, what sound is happening around us. So that is the work of ear, how we can hear the things, right? So that is the second sense organ. After that, the next one is what? Nose. What is the work of nose? As you know, we have learned also, and everyone knows that what is the work of nose. We can breathe and we can smell. So in our nose, what is there? How we can smell? So from the ending part of our nose to upper part of our nose, we found the nerves. So these ending part of nerves, they receive the message and send to our brain. Then brain interprets and we can smell the things, and we can breathe also, right? And in our nose there is small hairs we found. So what is the work of? It can be filter the air when we are for taking breath for respiration, so the dirt cannot enter in our body, so that protect us from the dirt, the hairs that is found. So that is the third one, the third sense organ of our body. So we have learned eyes, ear, nose, right? So the next one is a tongue, right? So what is the work of tongue? You know very well. We can speak with the help of tongue. If we don't have tongue, we cannot speak, right? And also we can take a taste of anything, any delicious thing, yeah, anything that you are having, you are eating, right? Maybe bitter, maybe sweet, maybe sour. Every kind of taste you can take with the help of our tongue, right? So what is the how does it work? It is kept moist all time with the help of saliva. It contains many nerves. From the it contains on the tongue, first we found many bursts from the side to the middle side. On the top of the every part of the tongue we found the birds, and these birds are different kind of birds. It can be helping take the taste of different thing. Then you can see here, like this part of our tongue is help us to take a better taste, right? This part contains the birds that realize us to sour taste, right? And this part help us to take the taste of salty taste. The birds are present that help us to know ki the things taste is how the salty and what. And this part of the tongue is the birds are found that gives us, that realizes to sweet taste. So these all are the different kind of bird that we found our tongue, and it help us to take different kind of taste. What happened? These all the birds they supply the taste to the nerves, and nerves send the message to the brain, and then brain interprets ki how does the taste, which type of taste are we are having, right? Our nose and our smell and the taste both are linked, closely linked, because when we are suffering from the cold, we cannot we are not getting the when we are having the food, that is not get a good taste, right? So they are closely linked, our smell and the taste taste sense, right? So they are closely linked. That are all about the tongue. The next one is a skin. Sense organ, fifth sense organ is what? That is a skin. It is the outermost covering of our body. So there is also in the skin there is lot of nerves in the ending of our skin. There is tiny cells are there, and they are connected to our nerve sending, and it's in the message, all the nerves they send the message to our brain, and then brain interprets when we are touching we are realizing the things like cold, hot or pain likewise. the feeling whatever you are feeling with the help of skin, right? That is also very important, because if we have any problem in our sense organ, we cannot get the information that is happening around the world or around us. So that is very important. So we should also care about that. So first is what? Eyes. So how we can care of our eyes? We should wash our eyes regularly. We should not watch the television and not work on computer for a long time. Whenever we are watching the television, we should we should make a distance about approx 6 feet. Whenever we are watching, when we are reading the book, keep away our eyes from the book around about 12 inches. And whenever you are not seeing, you cannot see the blackboard in your class, you have to inform to your parents, and you should go to the doctor for checkup of your eyes, right? And whenever you are reading, right, you are studying, you are sitting, you should be sit erect, है ना, सीधे एकदम बैठना चाहिए. That is also effect to your eyes. Then next one is what? Ears. You should not throw, you should not insert anything a very sharp object in your ear. Whenever you are cleaning your ear, you should use the cotton swab to clean your ear. Otherwise what happens, the sharp object can be punctured to your eardrum and you cannot hear hear the sound, whatever is happening around you, the sounds comes, right? And also you should not listen very loud music. You should keep away the places where the loud loud sounds are coming, right? That is also can be make you deaf. And our nose, we should not insert anything in our nose, right? We should clean our nose every day properly. Blow your nose gently whenever every day before bathing, right? And that is it keeps your nose clean. After that is skin. The how we can care of our skin. We should take bath every day. We should wash our skin every day. Whenever we are getting hurt or getting damage our skin, so we should use the antiseptic cream on our the part where where our skin get damaged. So that all are the things that by using this we can care of our sense organ, and that is very important for our life, right? Then I am telling you something. Do you know about our sense organs, right? So about bulls means about our eye sense organ. So bulls can see only the blue things and the mix of red and green. Except of these colors, they can, whatever they are seeing, it as they can see in everything in a grayish color, है ना? Only they can see clearly which color? Blue and mix red and green, the bull. Other color, whatever you are seeing, different kind of color, they are seeing, they can see it in a grayish color, every color, right? And about the ear, the dolphins have the sense organ of ears. They can hear in comparison of human 8 or 10 times to greater than, right? So that is the they have the super sense organ of hearing. Then the snakes. About the snakes, they can smell with the help of their tongue. When they are flicking something, है ना, वो अपनी टंग आपने देखा होगा बार बार बाहर निकालते हैं स्नेक. तो what they are doing, they are smelling the things. So they can smell the things by flicking their tongue, right? And after that, the skin, they have also the super sense of taste और स्मेल. टेस्ट ही हम कह सकते हैं स्नेक के पास होती है. तो बाय फ्लिकिंग द tongue they can smell the things, right? And the next one is the skin. That is, skin is also our skin. It is the largest part of our body. It covers around about 50% of our body. It accounts 50% of our body weight. So these all about the, do you know, the special things that is about to our sense organ. So class, that is the chapter 7 we have revised. So the class, these all about the things about our sense organ, and this chapter we have discussed many things: nervous system, nerves, brain, and our sense organ, everything we have discussed in the chapter. So go through this video and revise your chapter again. You know, already we have discussed in the class. So thank you class, have a nice day.